Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Today we are going to paint a beautiful spring landscape using acrylic paints. This tutorial is perfect for beginners. So to take your time, relax and let's have some fun. First of all, prepare the canvas. Let's start by preparing our canvas. If you are using a stretched canvas or canvas board, you can go ahead and apply a thin layer of white gesso to help the paint flow better. But if you are ready to dive in, that's great too. Make sure your canvas is flat, your brushes are ready, and your palette has your colors laid out. Well, we will begin by painting the sky. Start with a light blue color. Mixing a light bit of white into your blue paint for that soft spring sky. Using a flat brush, gently brush across the top part of the canvas, making soft horizontal strokes. Remember, the sky is always lighter near the horizon, so gradually add more white as you work your way down. Now let's add some fluffy white clouds to our sky. Using a round brush, dab some white paint onto your brush and gently tap the canvas to create cloud shapes. Next, we will move on the grass. Mix your green paint with a little yellow to create a vibrant spring green. Using a white flat brush, start at the bottom of your canvas and work your way up. Make long sweeping strokes to fill the lower half of the canvas with lush green grass. Let's add some trees to our landscape using a medium size round or fan brush to create the trunk and branches. To give our landscape that true spring vibe, let's add some flowers. Now it's time for the finishing touches. Step back and look at your painting. You can add more details to the trees, brighten up the sky, or add shadows to the grass to make everything pop. And there you have it, a beautiful spring landscape painted with acrylics. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much.